Alright, there is a pork ribs. They are a delicacy in Thailand, and my wife makes in typical Thai style. What is that?
ซอสหอยอะ oyster อะไรนะ
Oyster sauce.
yes
Yeah, that's almost a must in Thai cooking.
bean sauce
Oh, bean sauce, this one.
pepper
And the pepper,
เดี๋ยวนะ
black pepper powder, bean sauce and oyster sauce. And salt to taste. Mix them thoroughly. The next thing is this is a different type of oven. You put the mix for 5 to 10 minutes aside and then place them in this oven. Insert that and set the temperature at 180, baby.
190
190 degrees centigrade for
22 minutes
20-25 minutes. And once it's done, this oven is very good, really. You don't need any oil, nothing. It's wonderful, really. See, there are options to make many things. Chicken, shrimp, you can make cookies, cakes, many things. You can set the temperature. It's really very handy. Well, it's almost done. Less than a minute. It makes sounds like these, and when it's almost done, and finally stops. Well, it's done. It's done. You see, excellent pork ribs, no oil, wonderful and delicious taste.